In this class, I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. This is the second chapter, real numbers. Already 4 exercises I have completed. This is the 5th exercise. 5th exercise, 4th sum. Use the fractional index to write. 4 different questions are given. We are asked to write the fractional index. Okay, so the first one is root 5. So root 5, root, how can we write this root? We can write that as whole power 1 by 2. So the fractional index of this root 5 is equal to 5 power 1 by 2. That's all. Okay, then second one is, both these are same, that is root 5 and root 2, that is second root of 2 and root 2, both have the same meaning, that is power 1 by 2 only. So this one is second root of root 7. So this is equal to 7 power 1 by 2. So second root of 7, if we write like this, root 5 and second root of 5, both have the same meaning. This is 5 power 1 by 2. This is also 5 power 1 by 2 only. Okay, so this is the second one. Since 7 is there, it is 7 power 1 by 2. Then third one is cube root of 49 whole power 5. Cube root of 49 whole power 5. We don't have any value for this 49. That is, for as the power 3, we cannot write this 49. Only it is 7 squared. So we will leave that as it is. So 49 whole power, since this is cube root, we can write this as 1 by 3. 49 whole power 1 by 3 to the power 5. This is the meaning. Okay, 49 whole power 1 by 3 to the power 5. So this is equal to, so this is of the thing a power m whole power n. So we can write this as a power mn. That is, we will write the product of these two numbers. So this is equal to 49 into whole power 1 by 3 into 5. So that is equal to 49 power 5 by 3. This is the answer. 49 whole power 5 by 3. Okay, then fourth one is 1 by cube root of 100 whole power 7. Okay, so 1 by cube root of 100 whole power 7. So this is equal to 1 by cube root of 100. So that we can write it as 1 by 100 whole power 1 by 3. Okay, so to the power 7. So this power 7 is for both the numerator and for the denominator. So 1 power 7 divided by 100 power 1 by 3 whole power 7. So this 7 is for both the numerator and denominator. In the numerator we have only 1. So it is 1 power 7. In the denominator we are having the power as 1 by 3. So to the whole power 7 I am writing. So 1 power 7 is 1 divided by 100 whole power 1 by 3 into 7. So that is equal to 1 by 100 power 7 by 3. 1 by 100 power 7 by 3. Since we are having 1 only in the numerator, we can rewrite this as 1 by 100. So the 7 by 3, or we can leave this as it is, 1 by 100 power 7 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Next sum is find the fifth root of. That is for 4 numbers given. So for this we are asked to find the fifth root. So the meaning for this fifth root is fifth root of 32. Cube root and all we will say, isn't it? So like that, fifth root of 32 we need to find. So for 32, the factors of 32 are, we can write this 32 as 216, then 28, 24, then 22. So we can write 32 as 2 power 5. So here, fifth root of 32 is equal to 2 power 5 fifth root of 2 power 5. So this is equal to 2 power 5 into 1 by 5. Okay, so 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So we will get the answer as 2. So the fifth root of 32 is 2. Then second sum is 243. So that is fifth root of 243. Second sum is fifth root of 243. So the same way we will find the factors. So for 233, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. So 3 27s are 81. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So we will write this 243 as fifth root of 243 as fifth root of 3 power 5. So the same procedure only. So 3 power 5 into 1 by 5. When we simplify this, the answer is 3. Okay, so second sum over. Then third one is 1 followed by 5 zeros. Okay, so we can write this directly. We can write this as 10 power 5. We are asked to find the fifth root of 1 lakh. So this 1 lakh we can write it as 10 power 5. So fifth root of 10 power 5 is 10 power 5 into 1 by 5. This 5 if I get cancelled, it is 10. So this is the third one. Then fourth one is 1024 divided by 3125. That is fifth root of 1024 divided by 3125. So we will find the factors of this. So 2, 5, 1, 2. Then again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 64, 2 32, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2. So we can write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 2 power 10. So we can write this 1024 as 2 power 10. Same way we will do for this T125 also. So 5 table, 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 125. Then 5 25. Then 5 5s are 25. So we can write this 3125 as 5 power 5. So when we write this in the given thing, that is fifth root of 1024 divided by 3125. So this is fifth root of 2 power 10. 1024 is 2 power 10 divided by 5 power 5. Divided by 5 power 5. So this 2 power 10. So that one I will continue here. So that is 2 power 10 into 1 by 5 in the numerator divided by 5 power 5 into 1 by 5. So the answer for this is 5 and this one will get cancelled. We will get 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4 divided by 5 into 1 by 5. If we cancel this, we will get the value for that as 4 by 5. So the fifth root of 1024 divided by 3125 is 4 by 5. So with this, I am completing today's class. This exercise is over. Exercise 2.5 is over. In the next exercise, I will do it in the next class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.